Children, let's get ready to eat.
Mom has already prepared the food here. Oh, I'm so happy!
Dad, is it today?
It is today!
We see Argentina.
After breakfast first. You both look ready.
I was born ready.
Do we have everything?
Tickets, water, phone, and snacks.
And my scarf. And my flag.
Then we can go.
It's so crowded today, isn't it?
I'm so excited, Zoe. Me too.
We've arrived at the stadium. Oh, the atmosphere is so lively.
It is so big.
Wait until you see inside.
I want to see it now.
Thief! He stole my ticket.
No. I found it.
Liar. Call security.
Poor man. Bad man.
What happened? He took my ticket. I wanted to return it. Take him away. Take him away.
Dad, he sounds scared.
Let us check the camera. The camera saw everything. Good idea. It was a mistake.
Are you okay?
Yes, little girl.
Please drink.
Thank you, ma'am.
Argentina.
Yes, I love Argentina.
Are you going in? You persa pay.
Huh? No. I have no ticket.
But you came here.
I always stay outside.
Is that scarf special?
It was my wife's.
What was her name?
Maria.
Maria.
She loved Argentina.
Did you watch games together?
Every match. We had an old TV. She made tea. I held this scarf.
Was she happy?
Very happy.
She wanted to come here?
Yes. One time, I promised her.
Did she come?
No. I was too late.
Do not be sad.
Why do you come here now?
When Argentina plays, I come here.
Even without a ticket?
I stand outside.
Every time?
Every time.
Only outside?
I can hear the crowd.
That is not enough. Dad,
No, please.
why not?
Tickets cost too much.
It can be a gift.
I cannot pay.
Uh-huh.
You do not need to pay.
I am just a bottle man.
No. You are kind. You helped that man.
I only returned a ticket.
Now we return a dream. There is one seat.
Really?
Really?
One seat for football, Grandpa.
Football, Grandpa?
Yes.
This is yours.
Mine?
Yours.
I have a ticket.
No large bags inside.
I understand. I can stay outside.
Can we store it?
Yes. Over there. Leave them neatly here. Grandma, I got to watch Argentina play.
Let's go. Please check your tickets.
Here's my ticket, sir.
Come on.
I am inside. Maria, we are here.
She can see it.
I think she can. Oh, this seat is mine.
For today.
For today.
You are fast now.
Not old today.
You can wave this.
Are you sure?
It is yours.
That's wonderful, Maria's dream.
Go, go! Kick it!
Good little fans. Argentina. Argentina. We saw it, Maria.
Yes, you saw it.
Please drink.
Thank you.
Was it worth it?
More than worth it.
They won.
Yes, they won.
We can wait. Thank you.
I am ready.
This is for you.
For me?
For your scarf.
It is too nice. Maria will like this.
I think she will.
I will remember today.
Bye, football grandpa. Bye, little coach. Will we see you again?
I come here often.
Then we will look for you.
Ready to go home?
Dad, some people stand outside. We should see them.
Yes, Rumi, we should.